Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add motion blur on CapCut PC. So you can find motion blur option on CapCut mobile version, but in this PC version you can not find the motion blur option. But you can add the effect motion blur. So just tap on video and drag to the track, and just going to effect. Select video effect, select basic, and you can find motion blur. Just tap on add to track icon. Just for duration to finish the video, and you can adjust for the option in the right here. Uh, Select the 40i, and for the string select the 40. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you have any question, please type in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.